Hey guys, what we gonna do of this vlog? And welcome to this other vlog. Guys, I'm gonna take you upstairs. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm not doing social media. So guys, there's a mirror. I'm just going to sit and then just like this. So I'm looking for my ringtone and alarm is in the and my name is Oreo Vlogs. Then the real Oreo Vlog. And then Monday is the late I am. And then the 8A. You want over the horizon? Let's listen to that. There is it. What? Yeah. That is for the Samsung. Let's take add. There's is over the horizon. Search on the YouTube over the horizon Samsung. Look at that. My phone is Samsung, so very nice. What? Okay, let's stop. I'm not saved on there. So I learned this game and I'm gonna save it and click on there. Oh, save. Okay, done. So guys, look at this. I have a series. I have no case of this time, so play with Annabelle chat. So it's rainy day. It's raining already today. We can look outside for basically guys. So whew, it's many goes a cold right now. What? Okay, we sit down here. Just we start dusting. Okay. So guys, don't worry guys. If you're ready then we put that. We need something better. I'm gonna handle this a lot of video this vlogs. I need the 1 million subscribers to finish this vlogs. Okay. Access and guys subscribe my main channel. This vlogs English vlogs or channel with all vlogs. So it's a rainy day. What's Samsung V5? I said J7 is coming down. It's V5? It's very nice. Samsung Galaxy V5. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know. I think it's a language. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. We need. It's rainy day. You know, guys. It's raining with this time. With. Okay. Bye. That's so language. Okay, bye, guys.